Rollo.
Rollo won.
Apparently, tug of war is really a dominance game, so we have to be careful when they play. Could I have my socks, please?
No.
Could you bring them here? Bring them here. One of you. Whoever brings me a sock gets a treat.
Oh. Luna just follows. Luna's like his sidekick. Rollo's Batman and Luna's Robin.
Do you guys have my socks? Do you have my sock? What's that? Do you have my sock? There's one. And that's disgusting. There's the other. They were clean. They were clean. So were my feet. Did you guys do this? Did you guys take my socks? Who dug that hole? This one. Who dug this hole?
That's probably Luna.
Rollo.
Considering Rollo doesn't dig holes.
He just found the hole.
So who did dig that hole?
He isn't. Go get it, Rollo. She's got the sock, Rollo. She's got it. Go get it. I'm gonna put my Pumas on.